I've got very itchy nose. What a funny way to start a live. Hello, I hope you are well today. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you had a wonderful weekend and did some lovely things. I had my husband was away this weekend, so it was me and the kids, and we had a lovely time. So that was fun. So this week we are talking about metrics in your business and some things that you should be starting to look at other than just the revenue and the expenses. Some things that are important to be on top of. This is not a definitive list. I am going to cover a very small handful of items in this session and this week. So please do not think that once you've got these nailed, that's it. This is just the next step on from tracking revenue and costs. There is much more that we need to be looking at in our business, but let's give you a little flavor of the next stage for you and what you might be looking at. Because the thing is that revenue is just the tip of the iceberg, and true business success really does come from understanding the numbers beneath the surface. If you only track the revenue and expenses and that's all you're looking at, then you're missing a full picture of your business's financial health, and that's not what any of us want to do. So let's make sure that you have some clarity over some other parts of the business as well. So today, I'm going to speak about kind of why metrics matter in a business, an overview of what we're going to be covering in terms of different metrics this week, and why it's important to be looking at these things as well. So do give me a hello in the comments if you are tuning in. Let me know you are here or that you are watching on the replay. If you have stumbled across this video and you have no idea who I am, my name is Annette Ferguson. I am CEO of Annette & Co, UK-based accounting firm. I'm a chartered accountant, certified profit first professional, and small and micro business financial strategist, supporting you to take more money home from your business for you and your family to enjoy. So, as I said, this week we are speaking all about metrics in your business and going over and above just looking at the revenue and the cost side of things, because we need to really get clear on our business's financial health so that we can make strategic decisions about our business, about its direction, about what is working and what is not working. And if all we're doing is looking at the revenue and the costs coming in and out, we really can't get that clear a picture. It's not a place to make decisions from, and it's not a place to enable us to be strategic as our businesses grow, change, morph, scale, all those things. If you are not clear on these things, you cannot think about growth and scaling, because you might just be ending up putting you and your business into a dire situation that you're just not aware of. So the awareness around this and the understanding and how it links to your business's financial health is incredibly important in order to keep your business going, for the longevity aspect of your business. So having these more advanced metrics and an understanding of what those are basically helps you make smarter, data-driven decisions as a business owner. And you might be someone who says, well, I just go with my gut instinct. And that is okay, but I would like to share with you a quote that I learned a number of years ago that has very much stuck with me. And that is, trust your gut and understand the data. It's not an either or. You can do both these things and therefore get the answers that you need in order to make those decisions. So what we're looking at this week, as I said, is profit margins. We're going to skim on profit margins a little because we did do a whole week on profit margins last week. So you can do a recap, look at last week's videos for a deep dive into profit margins. But the important thing to understand is when you are looking at your business to really be clear on those margins, your gross profit margin, if that is relevant for your type of business, and your net profit margin, because that tells you how efficiently your business is turning revenue into profit. And remember, without profit, we don't have a business for very long. Profit helps pay us as business owners, and it means that the business is sustainable. Unprofitable businesses, loss-making businesses, don't continue forever. So understanding that your business does need to be profitable in order to continue for the long term. Sometimes profit feels like it's a kind of dirty word. People get very hung up on, oh, well, if I make a profit, then I will have to pay tax. Yes, that is the cost of doing business, is paying tax. And you have to get yourself comfortable with that being the situation. Can we do things to lower a tax bill? Yes, we can. But if you are running a profitable, financially healthy business, one of the costs is paying tax. That's just how it works. And making sure that you're okay with that is really important as a business owner. So understanding your profit margins, that you will have profit margins in a financially healthy business. Operating cash flow is the next one that we're going to start looking at this week. And that is the cash that your business generates from its daily operations. So whilst profit is incredibly important, we need to have profit on paper for our business to run. We also actually need cash, because you can have profit without cash. And you can have cash without profit as well. So making sure that both these things are in place is really important for the financial health of your business. If you don't have cash, you will go out of business very quickly, because you won't be able to sustain the operations of your business. So understanding your operating cash flow, how it works, what it is incredibly important as well. Don't just leave that to chance that as you grow, the cash will exist, because that is not how it works in practice. And the final thing that we're going to look at this week as well is return on investment, ROI, how profitable your investments are. And I don't mean stocks and shares. I mean your investment in marketing, in your employees, in your equipment. How profitable are those types of investment in your business? And if you don't understand how profitable they are, then it's very difficult to grow and scale your business, because you don't know where to invest. I often hear people say, oh, up until now, I've been reinvesting money in my business. You can only reinvest if you understand the return on the investments. If you don't, then it's not a reinvestment, it's just a punt. It's just chucking some money in. People will often say reinvest without being aware of whether they've had a return or not. And so being clear on the return that you're getting from these things in your business is incredibly important. So financial metrics like profit margins and cash flow tell you how efficient and sustainable your business really is. And after all, we all want a sustainable business. Surely, hopefully, because without that, we don't continue for very long. Because making data-driven because making data-driven decisions is how you move from surviving to thriving in your business. Trust your gut and understand the data, because data-driven decisions, they help profitability, financial stability, and growth. They give you better visibility of the health of your business and allow you to make proactive adjustments before the problems even arise. And that has to be what we want for all of our businesses. So let's get closer to the data in your business this week, understanding the data, understanding what it is telling you in your business, and therefore how you can make strategic decisions off the back of that information. So I hope that is helpful for you. We are here weekdays at 10:30 every day this week to go through exactly these things. So I hope you are able to pop that in your diary and join me for those sessions every day for the rest of the week. Thank you for tuning in today. I know your time is incredibly precious, so I really do appreciate you spending some of it with me. If you have any questions or queries, please let me know in the comments. I will come back and answer those. So please do let me know if there's anything that I've spoken about that is coming up this week that you're unclear on and you would like me to go through. Again, I'm more than happy to do that. So please do let me know if you are in that situation. I am here to help and support you and your business. It has been wonderful to speak to you again today. Please do tune in all the rest of this week, 10:30 a.m., wherever you are watching this session today. And I will see you really soon. Take care, everyone.